Alright, hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm doing great, thank you for asking. And today I'm going to Amsterdam. But as you can see, I'm not at home, I am in Mallorca with my family. Basically, I'm coming here on a family holiday and didn't film any of it because it's just a chill one, so that's not going to be on a vlog. But today I'm flying to Gatwick and then having 2.5 hours in Gatwick and then going to Amsterdam. The issue with that is it doesn't really give much time if we get delayed here. So packed our bags, we're leaving our apartment now, and now we're going to drop our bags at the hotel and wait for the taxi get some food or something. So it's interesting. I'm going to Amsterdam with not my family but my uni friends who have, I think they've all featured, well, I think bar one, on some of the beach vlogs that I've done. I don't know, I'm trying to get myself in the mindset that if I miss the flight I'll still be happy, because currently if I go to Amsterdam I don't really have much time at home before I go to Africa to do a documentary shoot, and then I've got Reading Festival immediately after that. Mum out here vlogging. Yeah, why are you vlogging portrait?
What do you mean?
You got your phone up right.
That way?
No, well, that's not going to work now. You have to stop the recording and it's going to be like rubbish, isn't it, if it's portrait?
So like a landscape?
Yeah, but you have to stop the recording there.
Huh?
You have to restart the recording, otherwise it's not going to film in portrait, in the landscape. Jeez. Video.
Video.
Right, Magda is there. Is it hot? Hey, money. I shouldn't keep that in my pocket. Crunch. Hey there. Oh, love on the hand. Oh, it's just gone on the phone. Right, so we have now arrived at a gate in Mallorca Airport, and now we've found out that this flight is 45 minutes late, which gives me now 1 hour and 45 to get my flight in Gatwick Airport. Should be fine, depending on how long they take with certain things like docking into the airport. Should be fine. I'm sweating buckets because of how hot it is here. We're going to wait here for 2 hours now. Another update, we're on the plane now. It has so far been 45 minutes, not so far, but it's going to be 45 minutes delayed, which would leave me with about 1 hour and 45 at Gatwick. But then the Amsterdam flight is also delayed by 15 minutes, so I've got about 2 hours still.
Who's this getting back to?
All good?
Send it now.
I don't know how to send it.
Come on board, please.
So I think it's looking good so far.
And baggage under the seat in front of you.
Oh, what's that? Oh no! Sorry. What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do? No, sorry. Pick it up. Pick it up. No, not with your shoe. Put your hand down there. Down there. Down. In the thing. Told you. It's worked his clue. Oh, you are something else. Hey guys, it's warm. I'm in the lift on my own. Look at this. So I've got about an hour or an hour and a half till my flight leaves. Here we go. So I'm going to go to security now. Tom's waiting for me on the other side. Let's say goodbye to my family. Let's have a look at this. It's weird, I came out of arrivals and straight back into departures. You're on a seat somewhere? No. There's a lot of faces, okay? There's loads of people. You're just sat on the sofa. Obviously I stand out, you nonce. Where are you? Oh, I see you. You're hidden above someone else's head. You look so dumb. What, are you going to hug me, are you? Yeah. Okay. I haven't seen you in a while. I'm so sweaty. Yeah. Do you want to go look in some shops and stuff? No. Have you been running? No. I've been walking fast though.
Well, we have to go to the lift.
Children. Fucking children. Oh, we're definitely. Should we get a pint?
We can't afford a pint here. It's like
Oh, there's a queue. Tom, our gate's been announced. Come on. It's there. Look. Look, read. 565. That fits in that bracket.
really far away.
What, that? No, it's not. It's just that way. It's not far. I promise you. Oh, the white balance is so off, but I don't care. Bye, bye. See you all.
Good luck, boys.
What's happened to them, Thomas?
Well, so we moved gates because job's fucked.
It is. Well, we'll explain that in a second.
And we're about gate 500 or something. These boys going to Berlin. I've just got an announcement saying job's fucked for them, and they're going to gate 43, which is on the other side of the bloody airport. See you, boys.
Gate 48.
48.
It's now 569. They've got quite
Got a bit
far.
of a walk to go.
I mean, we can't really talk. We're delayed as fuck anyway. What time is it now, actually?
Like 9.
Oh. Yeah, my flight says 8. It's
Does it
now
say 8?
7 past 9. Put that on. That's how big my head is. And it fits fine on mine. I don't know how long we're waiting here for. Bottle flip. Whoa, whoa. It's now fuck that. Deal whip this time. Oh. Yeah, we're delayed pretty bigly.
Bigly.
Yeah. Significantly was the name of the word.
Indefinitely.
That's the word I used. Well, what are we going to do if it is cancelled?
Well, they'll give us another flight.
So they'll give us another flight? Or if they just give us a refund? Nah. All I wanted to do is find you, get on the plane, go to Amsterdam, have a cig, and just chill.
Yeah?
I could have gone for a cig.
We'd be
after
there.
my other flight.
We'd be on a train to Central now.
Or even just to Martyrs. I don't care.
Yeah?
I just want to be in Amsterdam.
Yeah.
What do you want to do? I want to do something. Because if it's a significant delay,
Shots.
should we get spoons?
Too expensive. What if I tell my parents we're stuck in Spoons?
Oh, yeah.
You do the same.
Send us a drink.
And they'll give us.
Yeah, my parents would send me. I think that's not a bad shout. Should we go?
It's a decent shot.
We just wait here.
Oh, mum might answer.
Come on. Answer the bloody phone.
We should get a pint every half hour with the name for.
Yeah.
Where's the fuck?
Are they fucked
might be the
themselves?
pub.
Are they down pub?
Yeah. I guess it's Zoe.
Yeah, ring Zoe.
Guess it's Zoe.
And you have this
Well,
Hello.
side of Germany.
Are you
And
at
it's
home?
like this huge
Is mum and dad at home?
car, and I like
Where are mum and dad?
down pub.
because I am.
Shall
an
you
adult.
next? We're still in Gatwick. We're at Spoons. We want some pints.
I'm an adult.
Yeah, we're at Spoons. We're indefinitely delayed
Indefinitely.
because we've got nothing to do. I want some money through to buy some extortionate priced pints. You don't have any money.
She's gonna send us money.
She's going to send us pints.
Oh.
What do you mean surprises? You know what I like? Get some normal stuff. Tom wants a Bud Light. I'll have like a vodka and Coke or something. Right. Trying to get the pints in.
Sister's paying.
Well, she said I'll pay for it, then I'll get mum and dad to pay me.
Oh, it's gotta be done.
Yeah.
It's gotta be done.
I read the opposite actually. I was reading an article that said
Dude. There's people around. Is that hiccup? There's no flights tomorrow morning until the evening. Even so, they're still not saying it's cancelled. I don't know what to do. Right, if you eagle-eyed viewers may have known they've heard me say to get a vodka and coke on the plane.
Yeah.
Tom disagreed with that one.
Oh, I fucking need it now.
I think now. But yeah, basically, sorry, we've been waiting. So time is now what? 12? 10 past 12,
Yeah,
something like that. And they've announced that we've got a gate. We're going to go to Amsterdam now.
Bloody gate.
Oh, this should be good.
We got 4 packs of kettle trip.
We've got some. Oh god.
Hey, that's something.
Yes! Yes, please. Oh, everyone's
He loves it.
so long. It's the same fucking plane as well.
Yeah, like it's been there for hours.
I'm so tired.
We're gonna be so knackered tomorrow.
I haven't slept a wink.
Downstairs, downstairs, downstairs.
We made it.
Thank you for opening overhead lockers in case anything falls out.
Thrust. Hit the brake, boys. Brake.
Oh, Tom, is it raining?
Yeah, it's a thunderstorm.
Oh, Tom, we're walking back.
I've got
We're
rain.
walking to Mars. I'd have a fucking raincoat.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Amsterdam
Oh,
Airport,
Tom.
where the local time is 3 a.m.
Okay, liefje. Zo
Right, should we explain some situation here? Currently being held on a plane, captive, because of, well, basically more than half the people were let off the plane.
Yeah.
Now they stopped us because they said it's dangerous because there's thunder and lightning, and
Lightning could kill.
it can kill, but not in 2 feet from here to the plane to the inside.
The door is literally.
Yeah. What time is it, Tom?
Oh, I don't know, 3:30.
3:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
Supposed to be here 5 hours ago.
You know, I left my house at 3:30.
So you've been on the road for 12 hours.
On the road for 12 hours.
I left my villa at 1 this time here.
Jesus.
I predict it right.
I say we turn on all the fucking reading lights and see what they do about it. They can't turn off all the seek assistant buttons.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning, by the way. When did it start waiting? At 3? It's about 3, so we've been here for an hour.
Have we?
Since we landed, I think it's been an hour.
Jesus.
Day 2. Disease is starting to spread. I don't know, you never know what it's going to be, it just looks cool.
I think it's an office.
Yeah, probably just a standard office.
Yeah.
So Tom, how are we feeling?
We made it, boys.
We did make it. It's light, as you can see. It's almost 6. Dude.
Oh,
What's that? What have you caught?
coffee.
Coffee cup. And we're now walking to our friend's apartment. We should have been here about 8-9 hours ago, I think. There she is. She's over there.
It's time to say hello.
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 How's it going? I know, I can't believe it either. It's fucking sunny. Hello.
Jesus. Hello. How are you?
Oh god.
We're okay. We're tired.
We're very tired. We need some sleep right now. That's right. I saw a photo about like 12 hours ago and he was doing the same thing.
Nothing has changed.
I'm so sweaty as well. No chance.